Pandas get rows which are not in other data frame. I've two pandas data frames that have some rows in common. Suppose data frame 2 is a subset of data frame 1. How can I get the rows of data frame 1 which are not in data frame 2? df1 df2 Expected result.
One method would be to store the result of an inner merge form both DFS, then we can simply select the rows when one column's values are not in this common. Edit. Another method as you found is to use ISIN, which will produce NaN rows which you can drop. However, if df2 does not start rows in the same manner, then this won't work. We'll produce the entire df.
The currently selected solution produces incorrect results. To correctly solve this problem, we can perform a left join from df1 to df2, making sure to first get just the unique rows for df2. First, we need to modify the original data frame to add the row with data 3, 10. Perform a left join, eliminating duplicates in df2 so that each row of df1 joins with exactly one row of df2. Use the parameter indicator to return an extra column indicating which table the row was from. Create a Boolean condition. Why other solutions are wrong. A few solutions make the same mistake, they only check that each value is independently in each column, not together in the same row. Adding the last row, which is unique but has the values from both columns from df2, exposes the mistake. This solution gets the same wrong result.
Assuming that the indexes are consistent in the data frames, not taking into account the actual col values. As already hinted at, ISIN requires columns and indices to be the same for a match. If match should only be on row contents, one way to get the mask for filtering the rows present is to convert the rows to a multi-index. If index should be taken into account, set_index has keyword argument append to append columns to existing index. If columns do not line up, listDF.columns can be replaced with column specifications to align the data. Could alternatively be used to create the indices, though I doubt this is more efficient.
I